Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Balik na mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live, mas ilailahon pa nato karong buntaga ang bagong giinstolar nga Hermano ug Hermana Mayor sa Fiesta Señor 2024. Nauban nato karon dinhi sa studio, partner may magtiayong Sir Val ug si Ma'am Ofelia Sandiego. Maayong buntag ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag pod.
Pit Señor.
Viva Pit Señor sa everyone.
Salamat kaayo for joining us this morning. Briefly lang, Sir Val or si Ma'am Buging, when were you informed nga kamo ang mahimong Hermano Hermana karong tuiga ug unsa may initial reaction ninyo?
Last year, ang Father Rector, si Reverend Father Nelson, came to visit me and talk for a while, and ang last part is napakulayang hangyo. Usually man good mo hangyo na sa pasayan ng sinulog, activities like hubo, kaplag and everything. So never naghunahuna ko ana nga nag-decide man good ang Agustinian community, ang mga friars na kamong magtiayon. Actually, edin ko, I was shocked in the first part because ever since we look up, it's a big responsibility and a role, man good. And never in my among
wildest dreams wala gid
sa among kuan as a devotee, as a perennial offer sa sinulog and sa Basilica, wala jud mi mag dream ana nga Hermana, because it has a responsibility jud in financing and everything. So that's it.
Okay, speaking of Hermano and Hermana, atong ipasabot gamay ang role gyud sa Hermano ug history gamay sa daning pagpili sa Hermano Hermana.
Ang major role na karon jud is to promote the devotion of the Senior Santo Niño, not just locally in Cebu, in the national level, but in other parts of the world. So you are like an ambassador, trying to promote and preserve its devotion.
Pero this is not just for Fiesta Señor, Sir Val, or sa mga buging year.
This will be for the whole year, from January to December. Unya mo intro na said me og another Hermana for the 2025.
So in the Agustinian calendar, we have to be present like the feast of Saint Augustine, Santa Monica, and the kaplag, and
so all activities of
feast of the Ichihomo.
Yeah.
So it's our role that as a Kuan, we have to be present.
Mga laiko, murag Hermana, laiko, mga lay persons, may mangunay pag-propagate sa debosyon sa
devotion,
Santo Niño.
especially. And couple do na kasagaran.
Kasagaran couple sa iya.
Okay.
Speaking of couple, ma'am, sir, kayo partner may kanang dunay history ani sir. So Sir Val, you were saying nga kaniadto pag sa una pag pagkakaplag sa imahen or traditionally unsa may history aning ngano na may Hermano ug Hermana sa atong celebrations.
Pag 1565 katong pag-abot ni Legazpi, when the whole city of Cebu settlement was burned and everything, they mo na ang kaplag pagkakita nila sa Santo Niño, and they form a confraternity of the Santo Niño. Then the first anak nila was the Hermana, murag Queen Juana, I mean to say, as the responsibility of the taking care and in trying to preserve the devotion. So it's a yearly tradition since the fiesta started, which is karong tuiga nag-celebrate ta sa 459
years.
So ever since kada tuig na Hermana, and dili na ingon nga mo volunteer me ay piliu na sa the community itself. So it's quite an honor and a blessing for me and my wife and the whole family to be chosen as this year.
Okay, and kausa lang sad yun na.
Kausa lang sad.
Speaking of debosyon kang Senior Santo Niño, Sir Val, Ma'am of several murag daghanang mga instances sa inyong kinabuhi no nga na-test ang inyong pagtuo. Can you share to us ang inyong debosyon?
Primero jud ana, it was 2001 nga nasunog ang Mumbalay. Friday before the fluvial, totally burned and everything. Within 1 hour ang costumes and everything. Second, kuha na ito nga akong anak na sound sa kanal. Ang una lang nabili. 1 year old. And we were preparing for the sinulog ato. So what may buong ato kay busy and everything. Katong youngest na kong daughter, I found her na nasa Diri na ang this is kana this one miracle I really attribute to the Santo Niño. If not, naagian ako, she could have been dead. Dead by
Kaya ani
now.
naman lang nabilit.
And next was what happened to me last year, stroke ko and everything, but it depends my faith, and I still, because I promised to the Santo Niño, till my last breath, I will dance for him. But this year, another challenge that my wife's health is something's wrong with it ever since. So, nadyo mga trials. Dili jud
But we will still continue to trust Him. Yeah.
Pahugtan pa.
Pahugtan pa
Mas
dyan.
labi pa jud.
Oo.
Unsa giandam sa every year murag atanganan sa atong mga kaigsunan unsa kay performance unsay halad nga himuon sa Sandiego Dance Group, Sandiego Dance Company for this year unsa may giandam ninyo?
Natay something special pero kanang amo pa nang una-una kay ingon man sila ay kagool kay surprise kay wala ko nila gi-appeal sa planning.
It's actually
because of my
actually tomorrow will be her 60th birthday.
Yes.
So,
Advance.
daming mga surprises, so wala rin makasugod sa rehearsals. Unsa pa jud ka surprise in her health condition.
Naniyo mag doctor ayaw ninyo gi-surprise so nakabaw na ko.
So I was surprised
Aware na.
siya, but she was advised for the doctor nga i-admit uta siya karon. But that's why when you called up to guess about Hermano and Hermana, I was telling the Santo Niño, sus tabangi jud me. It will be our first to promote the devotion. You're guesting right now here. It's quite a privilege for us to promote the devotion, really.
Pud kanito pa minuto.
Yeah.
Taliwa sa mga challenges.
And musayaw gihapon despite this year.
Yes.
We will cheer ko last year. Maybe siya na sad. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Ang Hermano ug Hermana na po of course gawa sa participation propagation sa devotion sa ato ipong halad og performance.
Halad. Naagi na halad.
Okay. And finally, ato ang mensahe ngadto sa tanan nato mga kapuso nagtan-aw kanato karong buntaga.
For
Closing
those who are
message.
watching, yes, ang akong kanang like ang devotion nimo sa Santo Niño ayaw jugwad so every time na mga ji ka hugot ka pangayo ka ganahan jud kag mangayo kag unsa imong intention imong purpose in life, so you continue to do that. Dili lang kay sayaw lang ka pag human wala na sayaw wala na, so it has to be continued through your lifetime.
Yes, the devotion starts from everything that you have to sacrifice. Like ako, we have to attend, as an Hermana, we have to attend daily the 9 days novena. So, ang among gipili is 4 o'clock. So, alas 2 sa kadlaw, nagmata na ko. I have to take a shower and everything. So, the first step, nagmata na ko, I offer it to the Santo Niño. So, everything that you do is for the Lord and for the Santo Niño.
Very inspiring.
Kapatan no ang mga mensahe.
It was nice to have you this morning.
Salamat
Salamat
kayo.
guys.
Salamat
Thank you also
for
for the
inviting us, and rest assured to promote the devotion of
Yes.
Senior Santo Niño de Cebu.
Thank you so much. Of course, Sir Val, Ma'am Ofelia Sandiego, mga kapuso, ang Hermano ug Hermana Mayor sa Fiesta Señor karong tuiga. Ubalik pa mi mga kapuso, tutok lang.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.